Okay. Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah. Damn, I was muted all along. Somebody just told me. But yeah, alright, let's start over, I guess. So I'm looking at, I said in the last stream, I'm not a trade, I don't trade on I don't really have much respect for what happens on the daily. It doesn't really affect me as somebody who trades on the M1. I would use the H1 as my daily mostly. But I was saying that today's a very low probability day. On Tuesdays, Mondays and Tuesdays, I cut risk in half. I only use full risk Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. Right? Today, the H1, the daily is already in some sort of foolish accumulation. It's already in some type of foolish accumulation. The H1, again, it's still, from it take the liquidity, from it took the liquidity, it's been just accumulating. So it's at a high. I was expecting the high accumulation to be taken out and then we start going lower. But then I looked at ES. I looked at ES and saw that ES did not take this high, but NQ did take the high. So at that point in time, I went down to M1, well M5 rather, and I started to look for a smart money reversal, expecting it to continue low. And I was highlighting the targets of whatever I wanted to see. These are London lows, I believe. These are London lows, but I'm aiming for something higher than London lows on unmitigated OB. There's liquidity here as well. It's the first liquidity pool. It's a retracement, and this is also an accumulation. I do believe we took the higher the accumulation. Just for the SMT, we did a smart money reversal here, and yeah. So I entered at a slight retracement inside of this candle. Inversion, potential inversion. Let's see. Is about to open, and the reason why I entered before 9:30 is because I don't expect 9:30 to be manipulation. Because if this SMT is supposed to work, and it actually is a smart money reversal, and it actually is gonna take lows, I don't expect there to be an additional manipulation, quote unquote manipulation, because the SMT is a manipulation in itself. You know what I mean? This is where the SMT is. Okay, let's see what 930 does now. I really, really want to see 930 just continue the expansion out of the area. I really want to see that. Still can't believe I was muted all along. Alright, let's see. 9:13, 40 seconds. I like this rejection. I like this rejection. Snow closures above 50% of it. There's an OB negative here though. Can see 930 spike up into. But don't expect 930 to. Well, I can't really see it from there. I need to do this. USA 500. Capital 1. Capital. We don't want. No, we don't want this. We don't want her to take this. We don't want her to take that. So I'm gonna put the other alert there. And then go back to NQ and see. We don't want her to take that. And I want it to also mark where 50 points is. 50 points is here. But realistically speaking, I'm aiming for here. That's where I'm aiming for. So let's see what happens. And we'll have the alert set for just in case ES takes the high. Nice reaction out of the area. I really love that. Really, really, really love that. We need this down candle to close as a bearish candle though. We need it to close as a bearish candle. Yeah, so I want this down candle to close. I want this down candle to close, but it's it's moving very difficult. It's up and down, up and down. The only reason why I'd ever take this trade because there's no real liquidity taken it. Algorithmically. But this is just a low probability day. I can't talk my way out of this being a low probability day. Like everything that I see on my charts is screaming. Akeem, this is low probability. Akeem, this is low probability. Akeem, this is low probability. Well, you know. Yeah. But let's see what's going on over here. Let's see the. I wonder if I could bring up OBS, my OBS chat. see this close bearish. I'd love to see that close bearish. I'd love to see it close bearish. But I'd love to see it close bearish beneath this low. I'd love to see it close bearish beneath this low. So alright, so last time what do you say? I say context, bias, context, narrative. Right? Them three things, they're the most important thing. Bias, bearish because of certain reasons. But the narrative is that this is a low probability. The narrative is that this week is not a good week to trade. And so you see ES ES take it out, take out the high this a while ago. Am I gonna stay in this trade? No way, no way. I'm closing out my trade. I just closed my trade. I don't want to see that happen. I don't. And even if this trade goes without me, my rules tell me to not be in this trade right now. Because ES took out the high of the smart money reversal. So there's no longer a smart money reversal. There's no longer a manipulation. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out of the trade. I'm completely out of it right now. At the point when this took out this high, I don't believe it's even worth my time anymore. Let's see what NQ is doing. Look at that. I was able to exit down here, and the market has moved up. Already exited, already, you know, anticipating this high to be blown out right now. I'm anticipating it, but that has nothing to do with me because right now I have no more ideas on the market. No more ideas on the market until something else presents itself. Right now, the thing that was giving me confidence to short this was SMTs, and there's no more SMTs in there. So, what is giving me confidence to short it? Just believing that it will go short because I'm short. That's not how these markets work. So even if it goes short right now, that has nothing to do with me. You get me? There's only one thing that could make me say, okay, I'd short this again. And on a low probability day, I wouldn't even do that thing. Because I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to do... The thing is, it's cross-market analysis that would make me want to even go short on this again. Or if I was supposed to go short on this again, I'd look at ES and do and see what ES took out and see if it's an important area of liquidity. But because it's a low probability day, I'm not going to do that. You have to have these approaches in your trade. You know, you have to. Or what I should say is that not that I'm not going to look at it, is that I'm going to look at it and see if it still worked, but I'm not going to actually put a position on it because it's just not wise to on a low probability day. I'd rather just see it go to my target and say, yes, I knew that if it was high probability, in my eyes, like the conditions were high probability, I would have won. I'd rather do that. And there we go. Boom. That's 40 something points already. But I already exited my trade right here. So I only took about 25 points out of the market, really. I only took around 25 points out of the market. When really and truly, here's the target. Boom. Now, when I looked at ES to see if ES had done the thing that I would have entered on if it was a high probability day or a day that is not this low probability, I'd have been in this short again. My entry would have been 50% of this OB right here. Boom. And that would be my target. And I'd be done for the day. I'd be completely done for the day. Beautiful trade, really. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. You know? Lovely trade. Lovely trade. I wish it was on a high probability day. I could have maximized on that. So boom, made efficient. Yeah. Late. see if I can bring up my YouTube chat. Was I muted? Oh no, I wasn't. That'll be this docs. YouTube live control panel. Alright, so there's the shirt. The thing is, the reason why I don't feel any way about this, I know a new trader would feel some way about this, is because I genuinely believe I can catch these every day. I can catch a move like this every single day. So it doesn't bother me. It's a beautiful short. Lovely, lovely, lovely short. But it was just too low probability. It was so low probability. Sometimes that makes me cry. Beautiful 50 points. Gone. Beautiful market one. Sorry. Just a dumb play. Damn. Let's see if we can get to here. Magic. Oh shit, the thing is unlisted. I wonder why people aren't saying that there. Okay. And that's lovely. That's amazing. Look at it dump. Look at that dump. Look at that dump. Right to the OB. That would be how much points for me? 100 points for me. Right there. I love trading. It's beautiful. Dump. So that's good. That's good. That's great. That's great. I want to show the trade that I took. How do I do that though? How do I do that? I'm getting big game. 100. Damn, I became paid right now. Honestly, shit. But yeah, am I going to attempt another shot on the market? The real question is, do I need to? And the real answer to that is no, I don't. That was a lovely trade, and learning from that is way better than actually taking any more trades. Walking away and seeing what happens after is more beneficial than actually taking another trade. Alright, I think I'm gonna end it there. Honestly, that's a very good trade. I think I'm gonna end it there.